It's a mechanical preheater manufactured by Unimark for thermoplastic heating. This preheater is basically being a mechanical preheater. This is operated with the help of a diesel engine. See on the top, that's basically the stirrer gearbox, and this is the diesel engine used for uh, operating the stirrer. And the bottom of the tank, you see that black hole, that's basically for the gas burner. This is the diesel engine, and it's very simple to operate this preheater. You see two temperature gauge on the preheater. One is basically for the oil temperature, and the second one is for the thermoplastic paint temperature. See that the black color pipe, that is basically for filling transformer oil in the preheater. And this is basically the gas burner connection here. So you see a regulator also. So this regulator need to be connected with the gas cylinder. So it may happen sometimes, being a Indian regulator, maybe a different one used in your country. So as for the standard or as for the requirement, you can change the regulator and use it. This is when we are using this diesel engine, like sometimes if it is not used for a long time, then there are chances it may uh, take some air bubbles and things like that. So you have to, before starting, you have to release the air bubble or air which is there in this uh, diesel engine. So it will go off once you remove that particular screw, and then let the diesel to come out a little bit. Then you can put the screw and then you can switch it on. So for this purpose, we have provided a handle which need to be connected with that engine shaft, and then it need to be rotated. So that is how it works. Like basically, like mostly like all the road marking companies, they are using this kind of preheater, mechanical preheater. So mostly the technical staff or the operators of the road marking machines, they know how to use this particular preheater. So there's no much complex operations in this particular engine. It's easy to operate and easy to maintain as well. So the preheater, what you see here, as I said, the regulator may be a concern which you may need to replace it. So that depends on the requirements or the followed in that particular country. So we will show you the operation, how to switch on this engine as well as a part of this operations. You see this handle, this is basically for opening of the preheater to put in thermoplastic paint into preheater. Now as far as the maintenance is concerned, it's sort of a maintenance free preheater. It doesn't require too much of technical assistance. uh, Here, 2 to 3 months time, you need to do a top up of the oil. That is the only thing which may required. Otherwise there is no much attention need to be given to this preheater. As you see, there's a V belt used in that. Sometimes depending on the situation, you may need to replace that V belt. Otherwise, there's no much difficult part in this particular machine. See, we'll show you how this machine need to be switched on. See, it's that simple. You put the handle, and then there's a small toggle on the top. You have to put it down, and it's on. It's very simple, as we have shown in this particular video now. And for safety purpose, we have put a guard on the V belt wheel, so that will actually protect the operator as well. And other than this, there's no much complications in this particular preheater. So you see, on the top, this box, that's the gearbox, basically for operating the stirrer. And we'll show you how it looks like inside. So this is the opening of a preheater. From here, you have to put in the thermoplastic paint inside. Correct. So that is how the stirrer operates. It's very simple machine. So this can be mounted on a truck on a little higher, so that the opening of this particular preheater will go into the T5 machine, or if you are using any other road marking machine, it can go into that particular machine directly. So it's a very easy to operate and easy to maintain kind of a machine. And if you need any assistance or if any technical help, please get in touch with us. So thank you so much.